Ever wondered what hacker tools you can actually use without ending up on a watch list? Today, I'm counting down 5 legit legal tools that help you learn, defend, and level up your nerd cred. No shady stuff required. Learn, defend, level up your nerd cred. Number 5. Shodan. Think of it as a search engine for the Internet of Things. I use it to discover what devices are publicly visible. Webcams, smart fridges, test servers, so I can understand exposure on my own network. It's eye-opening and a great reminder to lock things down with strong passwords and updates. Number 4. Wireshark. This is the detective's magnifying glass for network traffic. I fire it up to see what's flying across my own Wi-Fi, what apps, what servers, and whether anything looks sketchy. It's fantastic for troubleshooting and learning how the internet actually moves data packet by packet. Pro tip: capture only on networks you own or manage. Number 3. OWASP Zap. This is a free open-source web app scanner built for developers and defenders. I run Zap against my own test sites to spot common vulnerabilities like misconfigurations, insecure cookies. It's automated enough to get beginners started, but flexible, so you can dig deeper as you learn secure coding basics. Number 2. Nmap, the classic network mapper. I use Nmap to inventory devices on my home lab and check which ports are open. Knowing what's listening helps me close what I don't need and keep what I do properly configured. Simple, powerful, wildly educational the first time you realize how much is quietly running. Number 1. Burp Suite Community Edition. If you're curious about how websites handle requests, Burp lets you intercept and inspect your own browser traffic to your own test apps. I use it to learn how forms, cookies, headers really work, then fix issues before they ever go live. It's like training wheels for ethical web testing. Bonus round? Learning labs? Platforms like TryHackMe Hack the Box give you safe sandboxed machines designed to be poked and prodded with permission. I practice there so I don't practice on the real world. Quick reality check. Tools aren't illegal. Intent can be. Always get written permission, respect terms of service, and stick to targets you own or that expressly allow testing. Here's your action plan. Pick one tool, Nmap Zap, and explore it on your own network or a lab. Write down 3 things you learned. Close 1 unnecessary port. Update 1 device. Fix 1 security header. If this helped demystify the hacker toolkit, tap like and drop your favorite legal tool in the comments. Want a deeper dive? I'll do a full beginner walkthrough on whichever tool gets the most votes. Stay curious, stay ethical, and I'll see you in the next one.